Members of the Meghalaya SSA School Association, led by its president Aristotle Rimbai, had launched a letter campaign to the Chief Minister and Education Minister of Meghalaya from 22nd December 2021 to the 14th of January 2022. Addressing the media on the 22nd of December 2021, the president of the association, Aristotle C. Rimbai, said that the members had decided on the letter campaign as a sign of protest against the adamant attitude of the state government to their demands for the payment of the pending 5-month salary. Rimbai further informed that the association will intensify its agitation should the government not respond to their protest. He added that a peaceful sit-in, protest and candlelight vigil would also be staged on the 21st of January 2022 at a designated venue. Speaking about the letter campaign, the president of the MSSA said that all the 12,541 SSA teachers would individually write and send letters to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Education Minister Lakmen Rimboy to apprise them of the current situation and grievances faced by the teachers.
To our pending demands, that is our pending salary for almost 5 months. The state government have not released our salary almost for 5 months. Okay. Yesterday we have launched the non-cooperation movement in the entire state of Meghalaya, which the SSA teachers will not take part in any programs of the state government. Programs, it may be from the health department or from the sport department or from the health department or from any departments of the government. We, the SSA teachers, will not take part in the program of the state government till the state government release our pending dues. So today, a part of our protest, today we launched the letter campaign. We launched the letter campaign to the Chief Minister and also to the Education Minister, which will be started from today itself, from 22nd December 2021, and it will be ended till 14 January 2022. And during this letter campaign, each and every SSA teachers, they will send their grievances through the letter campaign to the address to the Chief Minister and also to the Education Minister. So after this letter campaign, if there is no response, of if the government still not release our pending salary, as we have already announced earlier, that we will continue our protest, and on 21st January 2022 we will do a peaceful protest, that is a sit-in demonstrations and also a light candling in the capital city of Meghalaya in Shillong.